Guys, I just got a new jacket. This jacket is a vintage Varsity Jacket from the 1970s, but it has a few problems. It's too small, it's too short, and it's dirty. In this video, I'm gonna give this jacket a new life. Let's do it. But first, quick story time. So one day I was getting a drink in a cafe in Paris and I saw this guy with such an incredible jacket. I had to ask him to take some pictures of him. And the guy used the jean to sort of like work on the jacket details. And I really enjoy seeing this part of the jean on a jacket. So I'm gonna use this fabric and put it on the jacket to make it longer. Let's do it. Here's the plan. I want to cut all around here like this, okay? Secure both layers of lining and corduroy, and then I want to cut a strip of denim, so hopefully this one right here, and attach it to the jacket. First step, let's cut the jacket. Look how crazy it looks inside the jacket. Look at all the layers. So like you have the shell, you have the lining that protects it, you have some foam, you have some fabric, and you have the double layer of the corduroy. Wow. The machine is ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stitch alongside here and do an other zigzag stitch to secure it so it becomes thin like this, and then I can work with this and the pair of jeans when I have the strip. See, this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's all packed and it doesn't really come out. There's no length coming out. Alright, so the length of the jean is about a 90 centimeter. I need 100 centimeter, and the half of the jean is about 47. It's 47. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna take off this thing, then I'm gonna cut this strip here. Sim Reaper. Save the pockets because we never know. I might use them on the jacket. So here's our strip of fabric. I'm arriving at 101 centimeter. So I'm gonna need to take fabric from the jean and add, like I need to add 15 here. You know, I kind of have an idea that I want those buttons here to join a little bit further than the other buttons from the jacket. So I'm gonna add 40 centimeter and it will all make sense once the reveal is out. Trust. Here is all done right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pin this to the jacket just to make sure the length is okay, and then if I'm okay with it, we'll get started. I just pinned the jacket to the jean part. I'm gonna sew that first, and then we'll move on to attaching the elastic band. Let's get started. This is gonna take a lot of time, so yeah. Check out the pins all across. Alright, now let's put this on, and then I think we're done. And it looks really cool, so I'm really hyped. Alright, so today is day 2, and I finished some details last night on the jacket I want to show you, and I need to do a quick alteration before the final reveal. So let me show you. The fabric of the pocket, okay, so this is the back pocket of the jean, and here is the back pocket of the jean here. So I'm gonna unstitch this and take off this layer of fabric because it creates a peak that I don't like, and that's just not good looking. Then I'm thinking of taking off some belt loops because it just, I don't know, it adds a weird detail, and I'm not sure I'm a fan of it, but I don't know, we'll leave this for now. What I want to do is I'm going to unstitch this, take off this layer, and restitch it just to see if it takes off the little peaks, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I've been stitching this little red square here for some details, and let me show you what it would be for. On this area of the jacket, you have the zipper of the old pants, so you see jacket, pants, jacket. And here the zipper is kind of annoying and not pretty, and this little detail, this frame detail is not super good looking too. So what I want to do is sort of like place this over, so you have a red square. I'm not able to do the whole lining here because of the stitching here being not like solid enough, and this one is already top stitched, so I won't be able to do it. But the goal is just to hide this area, and this whole area doesn't need to be like moved or anything. So I'm gonna try to put it on both sides, and then I'll show you how I do this for the other side. Okay, so a new detail I want to fix is just the level of embroidery you can see all across the jacket. That's just not super pretty. So what I want to do is take a needle like this, some thread, a red one. I like this burgundy thread. So this is gonna be a super. Hey, I'm right here. I literally broke a needle, a hen needle, with my hands. Do I have like superpowers or something, or? Guys, you won't believe this. I just broke a second needle. It was my last needle. It was the last needle I had. Alright, I'm giving up. It will just be a detail, and you won't see it on the reveal, so... you know, the secrets of YouTube, right? God damn it. Alright, this is a few days later, and I really want to add something up to this jacket. So I laid it up here. It has the whole layer with the jean, and the jacket fits me well, but I want to go a little further. Using this fabric here that you saw on the inside to hide the little flappy thing and protect the sews here, I just fell in love with this burgundy color from this fabric. And I think, whoa, I almost banged the glass over there, but it's okay. I think navy, gray, and burgundy are such amazing colors together. I mean, I bet you can see it here, right? It matches so well. And here you have those belt loops that were on the jeans before. So I kind of want to work something out. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but... we are at the last details, and one last thing I want to change is the collar. So when I bought it, and obviously it's a vintage piece, it came in this dirty, like this used to be white like this, and here it's like, I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's literally disgusting. It has some very, like here especially, there's like yellowing, and I want to fix that. So I'm gonna put a layer of this bad boy just under it, so this will stay blue, but so this looks a bit cleaner. I'm not even going to try to clean this up because damn, it looks very dirty. So let's try to make this happen. Alright, so the jacket is finally done. Thank you for those who stuck around to this moment. Here's the reveal.